Yeah, so this new album will be my 8th traditional album. It's always a big challenge to stay very true to the tradition, but also to try and push the boundaries really and to break new ground. It's really a very fine line, and my mind is racing at the moment with the amount of different directions we can take it in. We want to make something that really stands out and captures centuries of traditional Irish music, and hopefully in a way that it hasn't been done before. And of course, I want everyone to come along on this journey with me and see where it might lead us. Where we're going to be recording the album, down in Gary O'Brien's studio, right down where the Burren kind of meets the Atlantic Ocean, just between Kinvara and Ballyvaughan. And you know, when you're driving there between down around the Burren and towards Ballyvaughan there, it's such a beautiful part of the world, right on the wild Atlantic Way. So I suppose it's fitting that the Wild Irish Whistles will be engineered to, I suppose, the best sound we can possibly get down there. But you know, I always loved slow airs, and I've been very lucky. Even in my childhood, I loved slow airs, and it's something I find now. A lot of the kids that are learning music, they want to be playing the faster music all the time, and it's difficult to kind of teach them this huge appreciation and connection with the slow airs. But for me, when I record slow airs and when I suppose perform slow airs, you really need to go to a very, very deep place, a very different place indeed, when I suppose your very soul connecting with the music is tested. And yeah, it's a crazy place to go sometimes, but I suppose a very beautiful place. And I suppose we're only communicating these beautiful airs through our instruments, but you're really conscious of that when you're in the recording studio. So again, looking through some slow airs at the moment and which lovely pieces we may record for this upcoming album, you know. I'm going to play a small section of one of the airs that I'm kind of looking at the moment on this beautiful A whistle. So just to give you a taste, we'll see what it sounds like. So, you know, it's a constant thing with me, and I give master classes in slow airs, of course, regularly and stuff, but it always fascinates me on what makes a beautiful slow air and what makes a beautiful sound to our ears when a musician plays a slow air and someone says, oh, that's beautiful. Why is it beautiful? Is it the connection with the music? Is it their ornamentation? Is it their lack of ornamentation? Is it their phrasing? And it's something I never tire debating and speaking about and teaching people, and it's a question I still can't answer, and I suppose I hope we never can, because that's the very mystery of it. And it's just a beautiful place to go, and that's so lovely on an A whistle. So there are many airs I'm looking at the moment, and of course then what musical instruments will we get to work with the airs? Piano, harp, guitar, they're all so gorgeous in their own way. So it's finding all these lovely combinations as we go forward over the coming months, and hopefully produce something very special in this lovely new whistle album that will be on the way before the year ends, of course.